Welcome to this One Piece OP11 case unboxing video, each offering the thrill of live audience participation as packs are chosen during the stream. Please note that all the boxes are shuffled for fair mapping. My winnings will be highlighted along the way. There is a possibility of receiving no PSEC cards. There's also a chance for a manga card or a manga event within this case. So without further delay, let's dive into the video.
Meron tayong bukod buff. So, sana D-Zone 4 to 6, Tita 7, RT 8, number 6. Okay. Dolly, Big Mom. Oy, number 11 para kay Roberto. Empty box. Number 7 para kay RT. SP Shanks para kay Robert. Congrats, Bert. Lahat naman ng SP. Okay. Number 12 para kay Makoy de Guzman.
Isa ka bang... Ayan na.
Hindi umabot kay Aldrin.
Bege.
Bege. Para kay Jan. Sulit na sulit. Box para sa mga slots.
So, sabi ko ikot pa tayo. Punta tayo
Chance. Okay.
Court.
So, good luck. Empty box. Good luck. Sir Andrew, legendary na kasi yan eh. Pag TCG player.
Hindi ba?
Okay. Nice steal.
Nice steal yung yung hit dun.
Zeus, ilan naman ng isang box? 24, sir. Okay, chance para kay Tita C.
Sick. Uy, ito.
Tita C! Congrats!
Napaakyat eh. Let's go!
Easy!
Sumakit yung ulo.
Paramdam mo. Gawa kasi sigaw eh. Empty box. Oy, chances ulit. Kinuha mo naman bossing lahat ng set. Sabi ka. Ang laman ng box na yun. Pero legit guys. Yung ayun naman nasa last pack. Aokiji. Empty box. Alam mo saan talaga galing. Okay. Radio para kay Robert. Yun lang naman eh. Empty box. Oy, Katakuri. PSR. Okay, Jimbei. Para kay Robert. So, hindi siya Empty box. This is box number 7. Okay, manga event. Para kay So, posible. Empty box. So, last tayo? Last box. Okay, Garp. AA. Manga Luffy para kay Tita Cynthia. Congrats, bossing! Nice hit. So, yun. Ang tawag dyan, good night.